Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Android version and ensuring the device model supports timed lock. Once done, charge to over 50% and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings and go to Security or Lock screen. Make sure you already know the current PIN, pattern, or password so you can change settings. You'll use Screen Lock settings, and when required, authenticate with your existing lock. Now tap Screen Lock Timing or similar option to start setting a time password. You authenticate with your existing lock so Android permits changes. This step prevents unauthorized tampering. Then, locate and choose the time or scheduled lock feature under Security right arrow Screen Lock. Not every manufacturer uses the same label. Once selected, set start and end times using the 24-hour toggle if available. Make sure AM/PM is correct. Choose whether the lock activates instantly or after a delay, and set a fallback PIN or password. This prevents being locked out if scheduled. You save the schedule and run an immediate test by advancing the clock or waiting a minute to confirm the timed lock engages. Make sure biometrics and a fallback PIN or password are enabled. This gives you multiple ways to unlock if the schedule acts up. If the timed password fails or you become locked out, use Find My Device to reset or boot to recovery and perform a factory restore as a last resort. Note that restore erases data. If persistent errors occur, update system software and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.